What's going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a great day, staying safe from the corona and whatnot. Before I play this video, I just want to let you guys know that I just did a couple modifications on the Warrior 350. Nothing too crazy. I cleaned out the air box, painted the handlebars, got some modifications like the Pro Taper handlebar pad. I got the grips for it, and just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to with the quad. I hope you guys watch it till the end. I got some funny parts in there just for a little informative video, but it's more of just showing, taking the airbox out, spray painting the handlebars, sanding it down and whatnot, just doing a little bit of everything. So hope you guys watch all of it, and I really appreciate it. See y'all later. So I guess we'll see which one matches the quad the best. We got this cherry gloss red, we got apple red, and then we got, what is this? This is just a little darker red. But I guess we'll see. But she looks like she's ready to get painted. I'm gonna let that dry. Get the boot off. Just a little bit more. There we go.
Dynamite, drop.
Gotta have a nice seal. Alright, let's bolt her back on. There we go. I don't know why there was a 8mm bolt in here, but we're just going to put it back. We're not going to ask questions. I had some other screws I had laying around to make sure that there was a nice seal. So got it all screwed in, all back in there with the air filter, and we're going to head back to the handlebars.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
So it's a couple hours later. Handlebars are all done. They're all dried up. Now it's time to install them back on and see what she looks like.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Dynamite. Drop it.
What's going on, guys? Got the 350 Warrior out, and as you see, I spray painted the black handlebars red. Got a couple little mods here with the grips. I know they were dirt bike grips, but they still work. No need buying extra ones, but they work. You know, pro taper on Warrior. So yeah, filled up the tires a little bit with air up to where they need to be. I think the next thing I want to do is do something with the headlights. And I only got one working. I'm probably just going to get a bulb. I'm not sure what the issue is. There is no bulb in there, so it's probably just needs a bulb. But yeah, got a couple things going on. Got the Pro Taper, handlebar pad, got the grips. I got the Mad Dog seat cover for this thing just because I don't want to mess up the stock seat. But other than that, she's been doing well. Reverse still works. That's how I got it into the spot. I just backed in right in here. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'm still going to be making more soon. Still want to do some more modifications on it. I think the next thing I want to do is this grill. Put a new bumper on it. I don't know, either get something aftermarket or try to get the same exact one, but I think that's my next project on it. And the light. I want to do the light too. But yeah, hope you guys like it, and I'll catch you guys later.